How's it going, YouTube? So I'm getting ready to start my new career path as a maintenance engineer, tech. Classes start about next week, my apprenticeship and whatnot. And I've been addicted lately to tool-bag loadout, so I thought I'd give my shot at making one. This is pretty much what I've been seeing being run at work by the maintenance staff, a couple of my homies. So I took notes and, grabbed a couple things. Without further ado, here's what we got. Starting off with the bag itself, I grabbed the Veto Pro Pack TP5B. Honestly, it just came out recently, so I had to go with something new. I seen them running the smaller ones, and this one's, I got no complaints. It's very, very, very compact, yet still gives me the variety that I need to stuff everything I need to put up in here. I went for a bunch of versatile tools. At the moment, I'm not sure which wrenches I'm gonna need. I just grabbed these. I know I need metric and standard, but I'm not sure which ones are gonna be the ones I really go to. So for now, I grabbed the whole set and stuffed it in there. Grabbed some from Harbor Freight, I think, for about like $8 for both sets. Without further ado, let's go ahead and go through this rundown, the loadout. I'm gonna start off with the big stuff. So I grabbed the clutch, 12-inch adjustable, as well as the 8-inch. I've been seeing this being run a lot at work and as well as from YouTube. This has been pretty smooth, I haven't got to play with it, I'll be honest, but it feels good. Knee packs, 12-inch pliers. The 5-inch. Now, this did get a little bit of use, but it wasn't for work. I got into it with the bottle, and I ain't had my bottle opener because, anywho, I did get to play with this one at work. A little flathead, weird. 100mm, maybe 105. Multi-bit nut driver. Seen a video earlier when I started. It actually got me hooked. It made me grab that. I'll get to that later. This was actually just something I had at home. So I just kept it. Another thing I grabbed because I seen it being used at work, insulated, slotted, 1/8 clutch. Another thing I seen needed at work, Gorilla Grip. Got the star tips. Got some use out of that actually. I worked on my last day before my transfer. So that's cool. 11-1. Still haven't got to play with this much. What we got here, the Weehigh Allen wrenches. Another thing I seen being running a YouTube loadout video. Thought it was pretty neat. Why not? Pay homage. Scraper. I mean, I deal with labels and amongst other things, and just the main thing is when the labels get stuck on the conveyor belts. After a while, people just ignore it too much and it gets a little bit sticky and it causes issues, so go ahead and scrape that off. We got the 401 Klein Precision. Definitely seen this being used a lot. It works, so had to get it. I guess I'm not too proud of it, but I grabbed it. It was some shit I had at home already. Needle nose, pliers, Sharpie. Self-explanatory. Milwaukee pen light. I'm gonna be up pretty much doing a whole bunch of breathing up on a bunch of people actually working, so might as well have something to help and give them some lighting. Tape measure. Milwaukee. Magnetic. I'm not sure how much necessity it was for get the magnetic part, but you know, tape measure definitely came in handy already. Whoop, whoop. As far as what I've got in here, not too much in the bottom. I got a couple of zip ties. So random. Then wrenches, of course, self-explanatory, but I've got the full sets, both metric and standard. I tried to separate as much as possible, so you know, I mean, I don't got too much confusion going on. I use one of my little zip ties to sort of keep them together. See how well that works out. Lock out, tag out. And slide my little hitting control. I also grabbed the Tool Check Plus. Again, something else that I seen being ran on a Loadout video prior. I'm gonna pretty much do as they did and associate this with the Tool Check. I honestly tried to get use out of that at work immediately, but it didn't come in handy immediately. I'm gonna find something I need to use it for, I'm sure, but I got a full set of sockets anyway. I was not proud of this at all. This was a bad bag. To be honest, I wanted to take it back immediately, but Harbor Freight really only got me for like $14, $15. So, you know, you take your losses. I really added this little strap, you know what I mean, shoulder strap to it, and pretty sure it's gonna come in handy. I mean, I don't use it for too long, but just when my hands are just too tied up, why not? There you go. It's my Loadout.